Hey guys, today we're making carrot cake. We're using a mix. I'm showing if you have trouble doing it, of how to do it. So first, my oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or that is, not in Celsius, but it's okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our bowl and pour our mix in. And you also have to grease your pans. Use non-stick cooking spray or shortening, it says. So first put your cakes mix in. Oh, so I'm gonna grab my bag out just like that. Ooh, that looks good. Now we're gonna pour the whole bag in.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna pour all this goodness in there, just like that. It smells really good. Next up, we're gonna add what's that?
A cup and a third.
A cup and a third of water. So I'm just gonna pour that water right on in. Nana, I need the box.
Okay.
Okay. Now that we have our water in, we have to 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. So I got that. I can do it. I can do it. So we're gonna find it on the back. Where's 2/3?
So you've got 1/3. So 2/3 would be 2 of those.
Okay. So now we found out I'm gonna do 2 of 1/3. So we're gonna open our cap up. Here's my trick so we don't make much of a mess. I was like, take any batter that has water or anything in it and like use this. So if we make any spill, it'll be fine because it'll be already in there. Just have a little more of it in the ingredient, pretty much. So that's my trick. It works. So if I'm overspilling, it won't get on my table. It'll get into my batter. So now that's what I'm gonna try to get away from any. Get it out to the side. Okay. We're gonna screw our cap on so that we don't accidentally knock it over and spill it.
Okay.
Ooh, we need a whisk.
I'll get the whisk. You're going to put the eggs in there.
Now we're gonna crack 3 whole large eggs.
Put the eggshells in the box.
And put the eggshells in our box or in a trash can, whatever you have. Crack it carefully. We have trouble using a bowl or anything, so try to use the bowl, but if you can.
On the side of the table.
Or the side of the table. Quickly crack it. Try to get no shells if possible. I'm saying if possible because I am a messy egg cracker. And I cannot do the one egg and crack. I just can't do it. I have to do the two-handed one. Got a shell. Luckily there was a small piece, so it's easy to get out. And our last egg. Just gonna hit it on the table. Ooh, my hands are all gross. And crack that egg. Okay, now try to dry your hands off before whisking so that way your whisk doesn't fall out of your hands. Okay. So now it looks pretty crazy right now since we haven't mixed it. Now it says
The oven's not done preheating yet either.
the oven's not preheated yet, so we do have to, we're gonna wait. And where are we going to put our whisk?
And we're going to put what kind of frosting? Cream cheese.
We're going to use cream cheese frosting. Actually, I should go grab that now. So, our oven's ready, and I'm just going to grab my cream cheese frosting. Okay, so I have my frosting. I'll keep that there. And we are going to pour our batter into there. So, Nana, hold. Let's start. So, I'm going to carefully hold this like this. I can start. Be careful. Be very careful when you do this.
Pull it over towards the bowl. It's holding it a little more. Okay.
Good?
Okay.
It,
Okay.
I'm trying to get whatever's.
That's good. Okay.
Now I have to clean it off the table and the side of the pan. It's okay, because that was our first pour, and then we're going to use our spatula and spread it all around. Right?
We're going to put some in this pan.
We're going to spread
Come
it.
that way.
I'm just going to try to get it all to those corners. You need to be at those corners. And I'm going to tap it.
Get the air bubbles out.
Get all the air bubbles out. So now, so now we have our second pan. We're going to fill whatever's left. So, just going to get, no, I got it now. I just did the last one. Get your bowl pretty much in there because you don't want to spill on the table like I did the first time. You got to save all that batter. I got it. You don't need to hold it. They can't see.
Okay.
Okay. So try to get all of that goodness right into our pan. I'm going to scrape our sides down because I want to get everything I can get into this pan. I'm going to use this one as the top if I can remember which one it is. There's other types of pans you can use. I just like to use these pans because this is what we can find. I'm going to try to hold it more secure so I can scrape. Okay. And just going to scrape that down. And it looks like good. So now I'm just going to spread it all to the corners.
Let's get one more right there.
Anyway. Yeah, you can't. Okay. You were holding it wrong. So now I'm just going to use my spatula first. Make sure everything's good. Put that back in my bowl. And just the loud part.
Okay. Now,
And just get a little more because I see some bubbles.
alright.
Okay, so I'm going to clean that little.
Now you're going to grab one pan and I'll grab one.
So now we're going to bring it over to the oven. Can you put it on the table?
Can I what? Take them both?
Yeah, because I have to move the camera.
Okay.
So I'm going to go move the camera over. So that way you guys can see us putting it in. Okay, let me just check it before we start. Okay, you can see the oven. That's what we want. Okay, I'm
Open the oven.
going to open the oven. It's warm.
Sorry.
Dropped soda. But now, I'm just going to slide these top. Don't want to overcook them. We'll get them too burnt, so I'll try to get them as close to the top as possible.
Alright.
Close our lid, and we are going to wait.
How many minutes? We're going to go back and look at the...
I'm going to go check our chart. And you are going to wait.
Back.
What's our pan size? 9, 13, 2,
Yeah.
18 rounds.
2 18 rounds.
Okay, I got our number. You were going to cook these because we have 2 rounds we're gonna wait 30 to 34 minutes, as I said. I'll grab the whole chart so I can explain all of the times for you guys so you understand. If you have a 9 by 13, 28 to 32 minutes. 2 8-inch rounds, 30 to 34 minutes. That's what we have. 2 9-inch rounds, 28 to 32 minutes. And 24 cupcakes is 16 to 20 minutes.
Shut it off now and we'll see you when it's baked.
So, for you this will be quick cooking for this, but for us it will be 30 to 34 minutes. Okay, so we are going to check our cakes now by using 2 toothpicks. So, we're going to open our drawer. I'm going to pull the rack out just a little. So, we're going to stick my toothpick in and pull it. See, that means it's cooked since nothing's stuck. Now let's check for our other one. Cooked. So, now we're going to take these out of the oven and let them cool for a bit of time before serving. Okay, so now it's time to ice our cake. So, I'm going to grab my cream cheese frosting here to ice our cake. Oh, my dog's sitting next to me, but I'm not sure if you can see on the camera.
Yeah, it's going to be the bottom. The other even piece is a piece of slack.
I'm going to use this piece as the bottom because it's just warm. It's not too warm, but it's not too cold. So it's a temperature that I feel like it's okay to frost with. It smells like cream cheese. I think that's the name of it. So we're going to get my spoon in, or my knife really, and add a nice big glob. My cinnamon falls in the cake, of course. I'm just going to put it in here. So that's the finished cake. Bye.